Are you tired of missing out on great investment properties because of your schedule? Well, today is an opportunity to make the most of the public holiday. Don't let your busy schedule hold you back. So, today is an opportunity for you to come for inspection. Take advantage of this special day in finding your dream home. Virtual or physical inspection helps you get a first-hand knowledge of your property. Yes, it does. That is why you should always book an inspection. Come and see what you're buying, know what you want to buy, and we're giving you that opportunity for free. And as always, Goodly Heritage Property is ready to assist you every step of the way. So, smart investors, visit us today. Let's take you on an inspection to unlock the doors to the future. Call the number on your screen or in the caption below and book an inspection with us today. Enjoy your day. Thank you.